Hey there, Tim and Rotorytool back at you. So today's video is about this 4-volt rotary tool from Hardell. Now they did contact me and ask me to do a video on this, and so I will market a paper motion, and as always, I'll always give you my honest opinion whether it's good or bad. Towards the end of the video, I'm gonna cut something with this. My wife wanted me to do a little project for Christmas next year, so I'm going to cut something with this and try it out. So stick around to the end. Hopefully you'll get some value. So this is the Hardell 4-volt rotary tool.
That's pretty cool, butthead.
And this does come with 61 accessories as listed on Amazon. So I'll open this up. And it does come in this carry case, which is pretty cool. So it looks like it's got 3 collars. I think they call them collars or collettes. Got some little sanding discs, and then got a bunch of different heads, grinding heads, and I'm hoping there's a cutoff disc in here or something I can cut plastic with. So I'll open these up here in a little bit and see if, oh yeah, there's one right here. There's actually a little cutoff wheel, 2 of them in there. So it's got 61 accessories, and you can see a bunch of bits up here, which is pretty nice. And so you get that in the case, and it kind of goes up here. And then you have, I've already taken this out and charged it, so I didn't want to bore you with a video taking this out. But you basically hold it down. It does come with a light on it, and it's at the lowest speed right now. And you click it again, off, on, and then you got a plus button. You can hear that. It's pretty quiet. That is the highest speed right there, and you get little indicators. This is great for a little DIY project and stuff like that. So, and what I like about this is, I'm going to go ahead and turn it off so I can kind of grab onto it. It's got these little indentations right here, so you can kind of use it like a pencil. Now this is 4-volt. It's 200 milliamps, or I'm sorry, 2000 milliamps. Comes with the carry case. It has a lithium-ion battery. It does come with 61 accessories. There's multiple functions. It's a DIY first choice on Amazon, and currently it was running about $26. I think it was normally $29.99 at the time of this video, and they had like a 10% off on this particular color. There's pink, I believe. Let me pull up my I was having some technical difficulties with my cameras, so I had to kind of go old school with this. So I'll kind of show you here. On this you get all the accessories, comes with the charging cable, and then let me go back there. This is comes with the case, the little tool, and all the bunch of different deals. Now is running $24.99 for the rotary tool here. This is a different version of this other one. It's a little different. It comes with a plastic case, so you can get it a little differently, but it does, like I said, does come in within $24.99. It was showing $26.99 on the other link that I picked. Let me see if I can pick that one. Let's see here. This one here shows it comes in 4 colors. You have orange, blue, black, and pink. And if you visit the Hardell store, you can kind of see. So just a super nice tool. It does come again with the USB-A to USB-C charging cable, which pretty much everybody has a bunch of those. And then there's a booklet in here, so it allows you to put all this stuff in here in the case. and then you can carry it around. So I'm going to, what I like about this is it's super compact. My wife wanted me to cut a laundry basket, and she wants me to cut the bottom out of it to use as some sort of Christmas tree, to cover the bottom of the Christmas tree where the legs are. I don't know what you call that, but so I'm going to try that and tighten it back down. I'm still holding this little button down in, and it's tight in there now, won't come out. Basically, she wants me to cut out the bottom of this to put around the Christmas tree thing. So let's give it a shot. You're doing this with me, so
It's totally awesome.
and it's off. It took me about 4 or 5 minutes maybe, and I actually put too much pressure on, so I actually cracked that myself. But it's just going to be going around the bottom of the Christmas tree, which is kind of cool. Now I just need to clean these edges up with the tool, and I can either leave this blade on there. Clean the edges up. I think it's kind of nice to hold it like this, so you can kind of you can hold it like a bunch of different ways. Clean up the edges. I don't know if I was going the right direction or what, but it cut out the project. When I'm gonna take this handle off. Let's see if I can do this here. Let's cut the handle off and do the other side. Yeah, cut the other handle off. And this is pretty thick plastic right here. All in all, I think it does pretty good. It's a nice little tool. It seems to work real well. It's still showing. I guess it doesn't normally give you a battery indicator. How long? There isn't any kind of battery indicator to tell you what's on there. But if you're getting good value out of my channel, I appreciate if you go down there, hit the like and subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and you'll get notified when I post a new video or go live. And let me know what you think about this Hardell rotary tool. It's small, compact. It works really well. I appreciate Hardell for sending it to me. Again, I'm always giving you my honest opinion. The light is still really, really bright. It's very, very comfortable in the hand, and seems to work real well. And again, the teeth on there are pretty good. So I don't know if I put it on the right direction or not, but it worked either way. So, and now I got this this basket. I think my wife is going to put some sort of ribbon around this or something. Is something she saw on Pinterest or something like that. So got my little project done, so I'm happy. And the part that I actually broke on here, I cracked, I can put a zip tie and you'll never see it. So I think that's what she's going to use, put zip ties, put the ribbon on, or run them through the little deals are. So again, I hope you're having a great day. If you're getting good value on my channel, I appreciate if you go down there, hit the like and subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and you get notified when I post a new video or go live. And this is Tim and rotorytool. I'm back at you.
I'll be back.